What are the 5 most common situations where parents are accused of child abuse? I'm Michael McGlinn. I'm a criminal defense attorney who practices juvenile law in San Diego, California. First of all, unexplained bone fractures. We're seeing more and more children who are coming out of neonatal intensive care units with bone fractures. Parents have seen something on the child that concerns them. They're told to take their child to the children's hospital. They're at the children's hospital. They put it, radiologists take these bone scans, and suddenly they're told that there are bone fractures. And unless the child's been in some major car accident or dropped from some tall height, these fractures could only have occurred because of child abuse. This takes an experienced attorney who has dealt with these kinds of cases, who knows in a lot of these cases the parents have not abused their children, and where more input is needed to the juvenile court to try and explain why perhaps this young child whose mother has, say, gone through taking Lasix or wherever else is necessary to thin the blood so the baby can get more oxygen, could have potentially contributed to the weakening of the bones. Secondly, we see a lot of cases of allegations of inappropriate touching by somebody in the family, by a parent, foster parent, boyfriend, cousin, of sexual touching to a child. Third, bruises on a child where a child has gone to school or daycare, and reports are mandated to be made to Child Protective Services. Also, drug offenses where a mother is giving birth to a child and she's tested positive for drugs, or a social worker goes to a home and sees drugs in the home. And fifth, domestic violence incidents. If there's a domestic violence incident between parents and there are children at the home, in our county, social services is mandated to make an investigation, and they're going to come in and they're going to demand that the parents separate, and if they won't, the children are taken, and can easily result eventually in those children being put up for adoption if the parents don't do what they're supposed to do. I know you're going to have many questions. You're going to need to talk to an experienced attorney who knows and has dealt with these kinds of situations on a regular basis. That's what we do every day. My name is Michael McGlinn. Give us a call at 619-291-5115. Thank you.